Hello friends, I welcome you all from HLT of Tech channel, and today I am going to elaborate how you can create or disseminate any news on your site collection to all of your site users. So it's very simple in modern sites of SharePoint 2019. Right now I have a team site in which I have a blank page which is visible to all users, and now I am logged in as a SharePoint administrator or a user with which have full control on the site. So what I'm going to do, I'm going into the edit column, and here I'm going to add, let's say I'm going to add a one column grid here, and in this grid I'm going to add a column of uh, news. Okay, so after creating news I'm going to uh, publish it. Right now you can see that a default template of news has been appeared here. There's no news up till now. So a user, I'm going to log in to one user. Let's say that there is a user of your website. I'm going to say that HR deputy manager. I'm going to enter his credentials here, and you can see that no news is appearing here. It shows that right now there is no news for your users to see. Now as an admin, you have been assigned the responsibility of spreading some news to your users. So what you will do, you will simply click on add news, because here you are logged in through your uh, administrator. On creating news, a new page is created. It's always happened that a new page appears here. Right now I want to give any information to the users. For example, I want to say that what we can say, we are going to arrange a party this weekend. Okay, so the company is going to arrange a party uh, this weekend, party planned. Let's say I want to give it a title, a party planned, and I'm going to publish it. Okay, now I'm going to edit it. I'm going into party planned, and here I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to you can also add an image here from your desktop or any other thing. Right now it is uploading default image. Okay, now I'm going to enter the detail information. um, the management is pleased to announce a party on coming weekend at ABC cafeteria. Interested, I'm going to enter that interested employees may register their name in HR department. To further automate, what I can do, I can create a list, and I can give the navigation link here in, let's say I want in following list, and in following list I'm going to add a hyperlink. On hyperlink I will create a list in which any user, any employee can register his name. Right now we are not covering that list portion here. We are so I will leave it a manual method of registering in your HR department. Okay, fine. So after that I will save and close, and this will show me that how this will look like to a user. I'm going to further edit it. In my editing option, I can I can enable the comments from the user, or I can even disable it. Right now I'm keeping it enabled, so the user who is logged in can also comment here, and his comment will be logged through his user ID and timestamp. So I'm going to publish it, and after publishing it I'm going into home, and this is the latest news which is published by sp19 admin. That is my super admin account. This can also be some your management accounts of your HR departments or your announcing agency, uh, depending upon your requirement. And all the news is that we have just published is depicted here. Now if I go to the normal user, that was HR deputy manager, I want to see as a user that whether this news is appearing or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh the page. Oh, wonderful. So it's showing that a latest news has been appeared here, and it's showing me that interested employees and can register here. Same information that I had mentioned. So quickly, I'm going to add one more news. I'm going to add one news that overtime submission date. So this is published. I'm going into click, and here I'm going to edit it. By default, whenever you create a new news, a page is created. I will show you where these pages are saved. After that, uh, I'm going to, it is informed that typing mistake, it is informed that the overtime submission date has been delayed till let's say I will say 20 July 2022. So this was the information I want to I want to disseminate to my team site users, and I'm going to check off to the comment so that no one can comment on this news. I'm going to publish it, so it is published. And quickly I'm going to the user, and I'm going to the home page. So the two news are appearing. The latest one is appearing on the first one, and the second one is appearing here. So uh, in this way you can disseminate your news. This is a web portion or a web part that is known as news. And one more thing I'm going to show you, that where these pages are saved. I told you earlier that whenever you create a new news, it is created by default as a page. A new page is appear. You can see here that it is like this. It is a ASPX page. You can show multiple options here, like I can add a multiple thing. I can add an image, I can add it a file viewer, I can embed any video here, I can show a highlighted content, and many other things. I can mention an image gallery. So these are the web parts that are available in modern sites, so that you can easily create new pages in just very small span of time. So I'm going to publish it, and now the last thing I'm going to show you where these pages are saved. So quickly we are going into the pages. You can navigate from here, or you can also go from the site contents and towards the pages part, that is site pages. So here you can see that we have created two pages. If I go in and click this one, the same page will appear which we have just created as a page. It appears as a news on the front end, of the display page, that is this one. So as many news as you create, these news are depicted on the front end. And the last thing is that maximum number of news you can show are 5 to 6, that may vary upon your settings and requirement. So guys, this was all about the news web part, how you can quickly add new news for quick dissemination to your site collection users. I thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. I require your subscription on my channel so that you may continue watching more interesting videos of SharePoint and many other Microsoft related technologies. I thank you all. Take care.